Day 20 na tayo sa ating 60 days of basic networking. Let's go! Right, so kanina nabanggit natin when it comes to an IPv4 or IP version for address, it's basically divided into a network and host portion. Diba? Now, paano natin nalalaman or saan natin nakikita? Wait lang. Ay, sumulat ng ballpen natin. Paano natin nalalaman or paano natin, kumbaga, makikita kung alin yung pinaka-network address niya at saka kung ano yung host address niya. Remember, kapag sinabi nating network address, it's basically the street or yung mismong kahabaan or yung pinaka-nag-identify dun sa group of devices na yun. Right? Now, kapag sinabi nating host portion or host address, that's basically the house number on that street. Okay? Kasi when it comes to IPv4 or IP addressing, there's always this network address kung saan nagre-reside yung mga IP or yung mga devices natin. And then each of the devices has their own host or node address which identifies themselves. Okay? So again, as our analogy, for example, this is Mahogany Street. That's basically the network address. Okay? The street. And then yung mga houses, may mga kanya-kanyang house number on that street. Let's say for example, this is 101, this is 102, and so on. That basically identifies for the host portion. Okay? So malinaw tayo doon. Now, how are we going to identify kung saan doon sa isang IPv version 4 address yung network portion at saan doon yung host portion? That basically brings us to this example kung saan we're gonna talk about what we called the dividing line, which is what we called subnet mask. Okay, so kada IP address or in IP version 4, there's always a subnet mask included. So, Sir Billy, wala namang nakalagay na subnet mask dyan sa example mo. Yes, wala, pero it's implied that it has a subnet mask. Kasi meron tayong tinatawag na mga default, okay? Default subnet mask. Ibig sabihin, kada IP address, kada classes ng IP address, we're gonna talk about the classes in the next slides or in the next section or in the next video, may kanya-kanya silang default subnet mask. So, itong 192.168.1.1 natin, even though wala kayong nakikitang nakakonfigure or nakalagay na subnet mask, I can assume, or for example, natutunan nyo na, we can assume na meron siyang default hidden subnet mask or hidden subnet mask which is the default. So ano yung mga default? It always depends on the IP address classes. We're gonna talk about that in the next lesson, pero basically lahat ng IP address laging may kasamang subnet mask para ma-identify kung alin yung pinaka-network address niya at saka yung host or yung mismong address niya sa sarili niya, yung device. Right? So if we are going to take a look in this example of an IP address dito sa 192.168.1.1, I can tell or I can assume na ang subnet mask is on the last octet or on the third after the third octet. Okay? So, it's basically the dividing line. That means, ang address papunta dito sa kaliwa is the network address or the street address, and then yung mga addresses na pumapasok papunta sa kanan, which is basically the host address or the house numbers of devices. So let me explain again to you para mas madali mong maintindihan, di ba? So kanina nabanggit natin dun sa Mahogany Street natin, there can be different houses mga nakatira doon, di ba? So maraming mga nakatira doon. Like for example, sila Billy, sila Bill Gates, sila Mark Zuckerberg. So, di ba? For example, exclusive subdivision yun. Okay? So Mahogany Street yun. That's basically the network address. Right? Now, yung mga houses doon, may mga numbers sila para malaman kung kani-kanino mga bahay yun. Di ba? So, iba-iba yun. Walang pare-parehong number, walang pare-parehong house number doon sa street na yun. Which also identical doon sa tinatawag nating host addresses ng mga devices natin in our network kasi wala rin pare-parehong IP address doon sa network na yun. Does that make sense? Okay? So, again, when we look at an IP address, there's always an inclusion or there's always included na subnet mask. Okay? Minsan wala kayong makikita. Ang makikita mo lang is, for example, nakakita ka ng IP na 10.10.10.1. Okay? Walang binibigay sa na subnet mask, walang nakasulat. Well, kahit walang binibigay, you can still assume, for example, na may kaukulang subnet mask yan using the default kasi wala siyang nilagay eh, di ba? So for example, tinanong ka ng interviewer, Ramirez, what is the subnet mask of, for example, 200.200.200.1, ganun lang, di ba? 200.1. Walang binigay na subnet mask. Tinatanong ka lang kung anong subnet mask talaga nun. Well, basically, you're gonna take a look ng tinatawag natin na IP address classes kung saan pumapasok itong IP address na to, and then we assume na ang ginagamit niya is default kasi walang binigay. Pero we're gonna talk about that in the next coming lesson. Pero you are getting the point here. Okay, so every IP address has its own network portion or network address and host portion or its host address. Okay, yung network address is basically the street. Okay, the street kung saan nabibilang yung lahat ng mga IP addresses na yon, and then yung host address natin is basically the host number. Malinaw? Hey guys, sana kahit papaano useful itong ating free 60 days basic of networking series, and sana kahit papaano nare-refresh ka doon sa mga basics or fundamental concepts ng networking, dahil yun naman talaga yung goal. Matutunan mo or maalala mo uli yung mga fundamental at building blocks ng computer networking, dahil I firmly believe napakahalaga nun. Okay, now, I also would like to take this opportunity para imbitahan ka doon sa isa pa naming premium course called CompTIA Security Class SY0701. So it's an entry-level certification course na related sa cybersecurity, or if you just want to build a foundation in relation with security in general or cybersecurity, makakatulong to. Taglish, himay-himay at talagang madaling intindihin dahil ginawa natin para sa mga Pinoy beginners. Okay, so naka 50% off discount siya this week up until Saturday. I-grab nyo na yung discount. You can go to techacademy.ph or you can go directly to techacademy.ph/security para makita mo yung details at instruction. So if you are trying to go with cybersecurity or someone na talagang gusto lang mag-build ng foundation or solid foundation in cybersecurity or in security in general in IT, makakatulong to dahil si CompTIA Security Plus by CompTIA is a well-known and recognized worldwide na certification na related sa security or cybersecurity in general. Makakatulong to na mapatibay mo or makabuild ka ng foundation in the IT security. Okay, so again, the details and instructions are on the techacademy.ph/security. Okay, yung discount up until Saturday na lang. So, i-grab mo na. See you there. Okay, so let me make it simple. Diba? So, kanina nabanggit natin, for example, here's my home network right now. Ito yung router namin, okay, which is Bigay Converge, for example. And then, ito yung mga devices namin. So, we have my desktop here. Ito yung laptop ko, for example lang for the sake of example. So, now, itong, for example, sabihin na natin na dito sa network na ito, I'm using 192.168.1.0/24. Okay, /24 na network. Okay? So that means ang network address ko is 192, okay, 192.168.1.0. So basically, this is my street address. And then dito sa street address na ito, nagre-reside yung mga house number, which is basically the individual IP addresses ng mga host or ng mga devices ko. So we have 1.10, we have 1.11, we have 1.12, we have 1.13, and we have 1.254. That's basically inside this network address. Okay? Malinaw tayo dito. Sir B, paano mo nalaman na yun yung mga... Paano mo malalaman kung ano yung mga host addresses na pumapasok dun sa network address na yun? Again, with the help of subnet mask. But Billy, wala naman nakalagay na subnet mask dyan. Again, we assume dahil we're using the default in this case lang. Okay? Mamaya, we're gonna talk about kung paano talaga natin makikita kung ano talaga yung default subnet mask with an IP address classes, as well as kung ano yung mga pwedeng gamitin na subnet mask, yung customized through subnetting, which is also included in this course. Okay? Pero, in this case, so this is another street. Now, a router, for example, has another street here, which is 100.100.10.1 and 100.100.10.2. This is another street pa rin. Okay? So, sabihin na natin na itong mga to is nasa 100.100.10.0/30. Okay? So, that means I have two streets here. in this example. So, yung street na 100.100.10.0/30, and then yung street na 192.168.1.0/24. Diba? So, mga streets yun. Like for example, this is Mahogany Street, and then dito may kanto naman na Nara Street. Okay? Ganun din dito. So, every network has their own network address, and then dun sa network na yon may mga napapaloob na mga usable IP addresses na pwede nating i-assign dun sa mga host, which is basically katulad nito, yung mga usable IP addresses na ma-assign na ginagamit ng devices natin. Does that make sense? Gets na? Okay? So, just to make it more simple, ito yung illustration natin kanina, di ba? So, Mahogany Street, and then yung mga house number like 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. Right? Yung Mahogany Street natin will basically equates to, for example, 192.168.1.04. And then yung mga 101 natin dyan, 102, 103, 104, 105, will equate or will be identical to dun sa tablet. Okay? Meron siyang IP address na 192.168.1.10. Unique yan, ha? Unique. And then dun sa laptop, for example, yung 104 is yung laptop, which is 192.168.1.11. Itong 105 na bahay will be the printer, 192.168.1.12, and so on and so forth. Diba? So, yung Mahogany Street mo is basically the 192.168.1.0/24, the network address. Meron pa tayong tinatawag na broadcast address, which we're gonna talk about in the future lessons. Pero, I hope you now get the point, or I hope you now understand kung ano yung dividing line natin na tinatawag when it comes to an IP address. Okay, so there's this network portion which is going to the left of an IP address, and then the host portion which is going to the right of an IP address. Paano mo malalaman ano yung nag-i-indicate? We call that subnet mask. Paano malalaman kung ano yung mga subnet mask ng IP address? We always base on the classes. Kung walang nakalagay, based on the default, may kanya-kanyang default kada class ng IP, which is we're gonna talk about in the next lesson. Pero we can also customize that via subnetting.